Yo, this friend is older than me. This dinosaur from Jurassic Park. I called Jeff Goldblum to give me a hand, but he said, no, man, I'm a Wizard of Oz right now. I can't deal with that. So you have to deal with it by yourself. These older furnaces are always taller and heavier. So that's always something to keep in mind and take into account when you're taking out the old furnace. The new furnace stands at about 33 inches. So that leaves a big gap from the last furnace to this one for the transition for the sheet metal. On the last furnace, the gas came into the gas valve from the left. So for the new one, we had to go in from the right side because the gas valve takes the gas piping from the right. Nothing really gave us any problems. It's a repetition at this point. The most work was lifting up the heavy old dinosaur furnace out. And the venting. The venting had to be done in a very particular way, or else it was not going to work. It was not going to connect to the inducer motor in the furnace. But after those were done, the hard work is done.